Hey, I'm John. Welcome to Mr. G's Workbench. And as most of you who've been around with me for a while know, I am loath to do open box reviews. For the most part, you can find, if you're going to buy a particular kit or a particular accessory, you can typically find stuff online and get more information about it before you pop down your money. There's an exception to that in my experience. I've been looking at I've done a little shopping on a website called Internet Hobbies. I don't get, this isn't like sponsored or anything. I'm just giving you reference as to where I got it from. Internet Hobbies has basically a 50% off sale every few days, 50% off, what I might interpret to be inflated prices to begin with. That's a subject for another day. Let me get to the point. I had been looking at a couple of accessories from Dioramas Plus, which were for sale on Internet Hobbies website. I pulled a pin. I got this because it's advertised as it's a base and a structure and everything to do a 1/35 scale diorama, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with this at the end. I have not opened this.
What's in the box?
Except to take out the filling that was inside. There were, the styrofoam peanuts. It's the only thing I've done. I haven't broken the seal on anything else in here. Let's take a look at this together and decide if Dioramas Plus is worth your money.
What's in the fucking box?
Let's take a look. So here's the box. It's obviously, going to be hydrocal plaster castings. My whole thing is going to be what exactly are you getting. So this one's called Baghdad Breakdown. It's going to be some kind of, Middle Eastern looking structure here. And I may very well have a Humvee of my own to make my own diorama. So let's pop the box. We've got some directions here. There's some photographs. Tell you how to glue them together, and then a couple of pictures of the completed model. So let's see if this made it here in one piece through the miracle of the U.S. mail. All right, there's a little bag here with some bricks and a post made out of hydrocal. The molding looks pretty good. We'll come back to that. So there's a first wall. It's got some doors. Some shutters on the windows. It survived. It's in one piece. See if I can keep it that way. Let's see if I can get up close on that. So you can get a good look at that. The casting looks nice. I like the rock detail. So far, so good. So there's that. Then there's a brick wall with some bullet holes in it. Again, it's hard to mess up a brick wall. It's a brick wall. Then there's another fragment of a brick wall. So hopefully you can see that. More bullet holes and stuff. Then we have the base. Definitely something you're going to want to put on a larger wood base so that it doesn't crack in half. It looks pretty good. And I'm not sure which way it's supposed to go. I'm sure we'll figure it out. Looks like they've repaired their mold because there's like a little shape in there. Looks like they put it back together and remolded it. But overall, it doesn't look bad. Let's see. I'm guessing this is going to go here. Maybe not. Doesn't go like that. It's probably going to go up against one of these. And, oh wait, I'll tell you how big this is. That'll help, right? This is, the base is, looks to be 10 1/4 inches wide by 7 7 3/8 deep. But all right, that doesn't look bad. And oh, and there's in this box, and there's some corrugated roof in there. I'm guessing that's going to go. I'm guessing that's going to go kind of like that. So there's that. How much did I pay for this? You may be wondering. Well, the answer is I don't have my receipt here. I want to say that this this diorama base was 24 bucks, 25 bucks. Not bad. You know, I think it's good value for what you're getting. You know, somebody had to sit and build this stuff. So, not bad. So, quick in and out on that. And hopefully at some point in the future, I will combine this this diorama base with these figures and an Academy Humvee up armored with I have a detail set, I think, from Lion Roar for it. So I'm gonna say this is a good buy. You know, if you can get this for under 30 bucks, I think you're doing all right. It looks good. I think with paint and some wash and a little bit of ground detail, I think that'll look pretty good. And you know, between that and these and a vehicle, I think that'll look great. So there you go, one of my few open box reviews. Dioramas Plus gets a thumbs up from me. And if you like this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. If you've had some experience with Dioramas Plus materials before, let me know down in the comments because I'm curious to hear what other people have to say about it. All right? So until we get together again, take care and stay well.